Hello everyone and welcome to Come Hither with Heather. I'm in the Adelaide Hills and I'm at an abandoned property that looks like a bit of a junkyard. It looks like they've been dumping stuff on the ground for like years. There's an old lawnmower there, you've got air conditioning ducts, air conditioners, big industrial air conditioners. And I'm actually starting from the top. I've climbed all the way up there, and it was a bit of a hike, but you can see there's a little, whoever owned the property at one stage put pipes and everything into the hills to create I guess a flowing creek. I don't know if they used the water for irrigation or what they did, but have a look at this. We're gonna walk our way. This is the easy part, walking down. And it's like nature is starting to take over this place, so it's well and truly abandoned, but it does look beautiful despite the junk of beds and pallets. I don't know if Drew's work is missing any pallets. They might be here if they are. Wheelie bins, barrels, all sorts. I don't know what that is. Looks like it belongs in a big engine. Oh, I'm not sort of used to filming junk, but here you go. There's an old tractor with the wooden trays falling apart. That's the inside. I don't know what sort of tractor it is. The seat's gone, and I don't know, I'll ask Werner when I see him. Looks like it might be a Volvo. Let's see how good I am at guessing, either that or a V-dub. There's a, whatever you call it, an excavator. I'm going to think it's an excavator. Now I've got to be very careful. We all know how awkward I am on my feet. And I'm liable to fall A over T, which is ass over teat. There's an old shed with more crap just floating around, and we'll make our way down. There hasn't been cars or anything here for ages, or at least it doesn't look like it. I'm here with Nadia and Werner. They've already gone down. I took a while to decide if I was going to film this or not, and I thought I just might. Now there's those old stone Bessa bricks, I think they're called. They just got anything and everything. It's like they just drove up, dumped it on the side. Here, I'll swing back for you, and moved on. There we go. Well, there's Nadia down there. She's looking through the stuff. She likes to get Nadia likes to get up close and personal with her rubbish. Don't you, Nadia? I just said you like to get up close and personal with your rubbish.
Yeah. It's the only thing that tolerates me.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, this is awesome. Oh,
isn't this great?
Yeah, and this is from getting lost.
Yeah, we are lost. There's your phone. You can dial a hooker on that phone for those who have seen my abandoned motel video footage. And also some old school chairs. I remember sitting on chairs like this in junior primary school.
They're awesome, aren't they?
Aren't they wonderful?
I don't know if I can get in there. What I'm going to do is go
We've got tin, we've got wood. Yeah, I bet Werner's already at the Caravan. He loves caravans. That's got a new lock on it, so it may not be as abandoned as we first thought. An old chain with a new lock. I just get rid of the weeds and the vegetation looks amazing. There's a view. So we are up high. Pine trees there. Now I don't know if they're native or imported. I do believe Australia does have its own native pine trees. And to be perfectly honest, I can't distinguish between them at all. So if you're looking for answers, don't come to me. Go to Werner, he'll have the answers, or maybe Drew, he's full of useless information. Factual, but useless. Bamboo, I've got bamboo in my window. I'm hoping it will grow tall, and there's some, is that a fence? Yeah, there's an old, look at that old wrought iron gate. Isn't that stunning? Wow. Okay, and over here, we've got more wooden things to look at, doors and window frames, and that actually looked like a fiery shed, like belongs in a fire engine. Where's the now I've got to find the caravan. Where's the caravan? Do we go through here or do we go down that way? Ow. Got a wheelbarrow frame, a bed frame. You can do lots of jiggy on that bed. And that's more wrought iron fencing. This is some kind of box. Show us your box. Right. Now this place is really freaky. Very freaky. Very spooky. Oh, there's the caravan. I can hear Werner's GoPro happening. Let's... Oh dear. Have a look. That's what I have to get through. Oh well. I've come this far. I might as well go all the way. Oh, dandelion. I think we also call them Father Christmas. Oh, let's have a look at this. Oh, that's not wrought iron at all. That's almost plastic. Oh, okay, well, the caravan's a bit worse for wear. But I can't, this door, oh, hang on. Let's open it. I was poking my head through the fire screen. Yeah, I'm not going to get on it because... Sorry? Oh. I'm a bit worried the floor's going to cave in. But let's... Oh, shit. Looks like it's a 1960s model. A Viscount. There's your bed. That's the door. I'm not... Now, how did I get through? I think I went this way. Making your mind up. Oh, we're going on a treasure hunt. We're going to catch a big treasure. Oh, now, last night I went out exploring. Okay, so at the time of filming I have bronchitis. And last night I went out filming, I thought I was feeling better. You know what it's like when you start feeling better. You get really, really excited. And you just do things because you can. There's the side of the caravan there. Along with bricks. Pumps, it looks like. Bins, buckets. Yeah, and so we went out exploring, went out for tea, and I tell you what, I almost wasn't going to come today because when Nadia messaged me, I was exhausted, but then they raved about what we're going to go and have a look at that I just couldn't help myself. So I'll be paying for it again tonight. And Nadia's over there. Now the thing is I'm not going to be traipsing through that shit if there's nothing to see. So fuck it. Oh. Now there's Werny, Herny, Flugenbaum. Hergen, Flurgen, Flugen, Schmurgen.
You grab my drink.
Werner's drink. It's vodka. There you go. Take a mouthful. Can I hold the gimbal?
Yeah.
I'm a pack mule.
Pack camel.
There we go. Drink, drink, Bruderlein, drink.
You put that back in?
Oh, for goodness sake, what did your last slave die of? Well, grab your gimbal. I can't hold two gimbals. I'm always getting told off for talking too loudly. Oh, I haven't got a voice to talk loudly today. Well, I think that's it for this explore. So I'm going to say thanks for watching, and I didn't finish my story. Oh, well, I might finish it next time. Okay, thanks everyone. Remember, keep smiling. Today's video is brought to you by Interflora, the flower for all occasions. Enjoy this commercial from 1988.
There is a perfect way to say I love you, and it's not in French. And a perfect way to say I'm sorry, and it's not in English. A perfect way to say congratulations or thinking of you. Just call your Interflora florist, who will say what you want to say perfectly across town or across the world. Interflora, simply the perfect way for Mother's Day.